Good morning, hipsters. Welcome to another PE class. Hola, bienvenidos alumnos. Bienvenidos a otra clase de gimnasio con Mr. Flores. On today's agenda, let's look at our whiteboard. We're going to have our social emotional learning lesson. We're going to focus in today on ears. So last week we focused in on your eyes. Now we're going to work on we're going to learn about more about ears. As always, we're going to have our workout/exercise. For materials, make sure you have a pencil, paper, towel, and a water bottle. Can't stress this enough. Make sure your body has water, water, water. As always, our objectives. Kipsters will be able to define the importance of your ears. So you will be able to tell me why your ear is important, right? We don't think about these, but why do we really need them? And our second objective is going to be Kipsters will be able to complete a set of exercises. You friends will be able to complete a set of exercises. The big question today that I want you to think about throughout the whole lesson is, why are ears important? Why do we need these? Think about it. Why do we need these? Let's move on. Here comes our field. Slide number 2, our mantra, nuestra mantra. Respect what's mine, respect what's not. Respect our time, respect our thought. Work hard, try your best, take heart, shake the stress. Despéjate del estrés. Be kind is our new one. Be kind. In Spanish, that means sé terno. Sé terno. Be kind. Be kind means the following: treat your teachers and peers the way that you want to be treated. Show love even when it's difficult. Again, show love even when it's difficult. So let's focus in on be kind. Say it with me. Sé terno in Spanish. Be kind. Say it with me. Sé terno. Being kind means the following: show love and give love. It means be helpful. It means be respectful of things, places, and people. Again, be kind. Be respectful of things, places, and people. All right? Today, I would like for you, friends, to show me through a drawing, through sentences, in writing, when were you kind? When were you kind? And how do you feel when you are kind? How do you feel inside? How does the person you are feel when you're kind? And then I want you to think and tell me, how do you think others feel when you are kind to them or when you show them what it is to be kind? Okay? So you're going to show me through drawing or writing, when were you kind? How do you feel when you are kind? And how do you think being kind makes others feel? All right? Perfect. Now we're going to move on to our clip of our ears. All right? Remember, our big question is, why are our ears important? Here we go.
It's Health presents How the Body Works with Chloe and the Nerve. A skiddly bob, a boom, a lot, chaka boom boom, yeah. Woo!
Tell me where it hurts.
I'm singing, not hurting. A doo-diddly dee.
I do love the drums.
I am drumming in honor of today's quest to the ear to see how we hear.
So you're playing the drum because we're going to learn how the drum in your ear helps you hear.
That was the plan, but having managed to climb up this tree...
You found that the getting down part is not so easy?
Precisely.
No worries, as the ear is coming here to here.
Delightful! Before we enter, did you know that there are 3 parts to the ear?
3 parts? Sing it, Nerb.
The outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Woo-hoo-hoo!
I'm guessing that this, being on the outside, would be the outer ear.
What a clever Chloe you are! The outer ear, also known as the pinna or auricle. Fancy word! The pinna, or outer ear, acts like a funnel, collecting sounds to channel them into the ear canal, which is also part of the outer ear.
What are we waiting for? Let's head inside the outer ear. Ooh, what's this gunk on the floor?
You mean this glorious earwax produced by the ear canal?
Nasty earwax is more like it.
Hardly! Earwax contains chemicals to fight off infections that could hurt the skin here in the ear canal, and traps dirt to help keep it clean.
Okay, fighting infection and keeping the ear canal clean is important stuff.
Yeah. Also, earwax will help us slide down the ear canal.
To the middle ear!
Where we find the eardrum. Quietly, my dear Chloe. The eardrum is a very sensitive instrument. Much better. Like my bongo drum, the eardrum is a thin piece of tightly stretched skin.
Do they work the same?
Very much the same, and also different.
Such a nerd thing to say. Explain.
A musical drum makes sound when we hit it, but no one's hitting the drum in your ear. The sound waves that your outer ear collected cause it to vibrate.
Sound waves vibrate the eardrum? Got it. What happens next?
When the eardrum vibrates, it moves a set of 3 tiny bones on the other side, called ossicles.
Ossicles? That sounds like a drum beat. Ossicles, ossicles, ossicles.
The 3 ossicle bones are called the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup.
Those bones sort of look like those things. But the sound's journey to the brain isn't over yet, is it?
Not even close. For that, we need to pop past the eardrum to the inner ear.
There are the ossicles.
And there's the cochlea. The ossicle bones connected to the
cochlea.
cochlea. The cochlea is a small curled tube filled with liquid. The vibration of the ossicles create waves in the liquid in the cochlea.
Are those little hairs I see?
I'm so happy you asked. The cochlea is lined with tiny hairs. When the fluid in the cochlea moves, it moves the hairs and creates nerve signals that get sent to the brain. The brain understands these nerve signals as sound, and so you hear.
What?
I said you hear.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
But because you have earplugs in your ears.
A precaution in case you started singing again.
Oh, what a fine idea! 3 parts to the ear you will need if you want to hear outer, middle, and inner ear. Scoop, doop, doo boo. Sound gets funneled in the pinna through the ear canal to the middle ear, where the sound makes the eardrum vibrate, moving the ossicles, 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 ossicles. Ossicles move the liquid in the cochlea in the inner ear, which move the tiny hairs inside the cochlea, sending nerve signals to your brain so you can hear. Skiddly doop, 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 I hear you.
All right, hipsters, awesome. So, with this all being said, do not forget, I want to know about the time that you were kind. Again, through writing and or a picture, you can send it to me at jflores@kipchicago.org. Again, I want to know the times that you were kind. How did that make you feel? And how do you think that made others feel? All right. Again, send it to me at jflores@kipchicago.org. Make sure you got some comfy clothes and you're ready to move and groove for the next part of our video. See you friends outside.